In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI Slack assistant in 5 minutes with Chatbase. Chatbase lets you create a custom AI assistant trained on your own documents, text, or website content, and then connect that assistant directly to Slack so your team can ask questions right inside the workspace. The nice thing here is that you do not need to write any code, which makes this a very fast setup for internal knowledge sharing. To begin, open your web browser and go to chatbase.co. Once you're logged into your account, click the button labeled New Chatbot. From here, you'll choose the source for the information you want your assistant to learn from. You can upload files like PDFs, text documents, or DOSX files, paste text manually under the text tab, or enter a website URL under the website section. After selecting your data source and adding your content, click Create Chatbot. At that point, Chatbase will process your material and train the assistant so it can answer questions based on that information. When the training is complete, go to your Chatbot dashboard. Look for the Connect Apps or Integrations section in the navigation area and open it. Then find the Slack integration card and click into it to open the setup options. This is where you'll connect your trained assistant to your Slack workspace. Next, click the Connect to Slack button. A secure authorization page will appear, allowing Slack and Chatbase to communicate. Make sure you select the correct Slack workspace from the drop-down menu, especially if you belong to more than one. Then review the permissions being requested and click Allow to approve the connection. After that, you'll be sent back to Chatbase to finish the Slack behavior settings. Find the channel visibility area and decide where the bot should be available. You can allow it in all channels or limit it to specific channels if you want tighter control. Also, turn on the reply in thread setting. This helps keep responses organized so the bot answers neatly inside threads instead of cluttering the main conversation. Now open Slack, either in the desktop app or in your browser, and go into the channel where you want to use the assistant. In the message box, invite the bot by typing /invite, followed by the bot handle, and then press enter. This adds the assistant to that room so it can begin participating. Finally, test everything. Mention the bot in a message and ask a clear question related to the data you uploaded. Press enter and the assistant should respond in a thread using the knowledge it learned during training. If you want better results, make your source material clean, specific, and up to date. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the